Bro, listen, titanium is about dick measuring contest.
Listen, I've helped over 100 brands just like yours increase their followers and revenue using organic social media and $0 in ad spend. And I am giving away my step-by-step guide to exactly how I did it to the first 20 people who smashed that link down below. So what are you waiting for? Let's go make some money and let's go gain some followers. Boom! We're at the SEMA show. Let me show you all of the cool celebrity builds.
Emergency exit only. There's so much stuff here. We're definitely not going to be able to see everything.
And nose attacks color shifting McLaren P1. So you think it's a normal Rolls Royce until you see a Z06 motor under the hood. That is so cool. A really big compensation. Imagine how this thing drives. Why is the tire so tall?
Yeah, why
is that a Liberty Walk Aventador? This is Gintani's Liberty Walk Lamborghini Aventador.
I've been waiting to see this kit.
Wow, look how long they made this.
So
you know what
wider,
this reminds me of? This is like a Huracan STO.
Yeah.
Like design. It already fucks because it's a Lamborghini, but
dude, this thing is fucking insane too. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to get shots of it.
And the amount of lines you have going through there, oil lines, fuel lines, fucking wires, all that shit, nobody does this shit. And they just fucking sell, they sell this product for, you know, $1 million car for what, $10,000, $15,000 with no safety.
And it doesn't have this type of heat shield.
You can't.
That's
You know how expensive this stupid heat shield is? We don't even do this. We send this out to an aerospace company. They do this.
So this is aerospace material that you're using on your exhaust.
It's all Inconventional. Yeah.
Wow.
This is not stainless China heat cover. With the test pipes and the exhaust, I think it weighs like 20 pounds. People pay $100,000 for a special edition car that weighs, you know, 60 pounds lighter. So our titanium system weighs nothing. But it's also very expensive because it's all made here. The titanium we use is extremely expensive. You know, all the parts we use is extremely expensive, and it's all welded here. You know, our fabricators here get paid a lot of money.
Of course.
You know, they're not getting
doing
paid,
it right though.
They're not getting paid $2 an hour.
I don't know if there's an Inconventional or titanium. That shit sounds great.
Stainless.
That's the stainless one?
Yep.
And it sounds amazing
That sounds
too.
really good. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Bro, listen, titanium is about dick measuring contest. Okay?
I like that. That's a pretty.
That's
the honesty.
it's like having a twin. Listen, if you're gonna build a car to go racing, you don't build a fucking Aventador. You build a Huracan. But when you roll up with an Aventador and everybody's like, "Oh, I have one of those too," and you say,
Right.
"Guess what, bitch? Mine is twin turbo." That's how big mine is. That's what an Aventador is. That's what an Aventador is. It's a dick measuring contest. That's exactly what it is. And then you have a twin turbo one. You know.
Yeah.
To be honest with that,
No, they're a little bit bigger.
If you ever drove that car twin turbo, I guarantee you, I think I'd have you sold in the matter of 5
don't ever
minutes.
put me in.
How much horsepower will this Huracan SEO make with this twin turbo kit?
Our goal is to offer an 850 wheel horsepower, 50 state legal, 1,000 crank kit. So
Wow.
850 wheel, 1,000 crank.
So
50 state legal.
Yeah, so
Full
everybody
smog
is not legal in other states.
Oh, you can. I mean, the CARB is fucking ridiculous right now, and EPA. You can't fucking.
Oh, it's like Cali.
Cali's a huge thing. A lot of states, New York, everywhere, it's getting crazy.
New York's crazy too.
Yeah, plus, bro, there's a lot of older people that have these cars. They want to make more power. They want to have fun, but these guys don't want to deal with smog and this and that and all this stuff. They want something that they're not going to get messed with.
Right. That is so fucking clean.
How sick is that? Holy fuck.
I need one of these in my life.
TJ Hunt's M4 GT3 with the built-in air jack.
It's
Really
wild
cool.
how they keep that interior.
They're just like, yeah, the car was so like racy to begin with. Why modify it? Like, look, there's nothing different. It even has cup holders.
It's got AC.
A race car. This thing is wild, bro.
All right, so far, even though we haven't seen too much, highlights.
Highlights. Okay, McLaren P1.
Oh, yes.
Amazing.
Yes.
TJ Hunt's M4 GT3.
Yeah.
Nuts. I would also say the 900 horsepower Plymouth Barracuda.
Yeah.
That was crazy.
That thing looks sick.
Gintani's booth had just like crazy stuff in it. Liberty Walk Aventador in there.
I've been
Who
waiting
does
to
that?
see one of those kits for so long, dude.
I'm kind of disappointed it was a black car, honestly. Nothing against black cars, but like, if I'm doing that much stuff to a car, I want it to be like a crazy
Blue,
color,
green,
you know?
yellow.
Or at least wrap it.
Yeah.
But so far, those are the highlights.
Yeah.
We've probably seen about 3% of the show, so we gotta get going.
Whoa.
Whoa, was right.
What the?
Wow. Just look at how giant the turbo is. Hanging off the side of the motor. And that's the motor. And the whole body's carbon fiber. This is a drift car, bro.
Wait.
Dude, that's an electric truck.
Yeah. So it's a Lightning.
So Borla put an exhaust on an electric Ford Lightning.
Ooh. This is GTR. Hello. Okay.
How much horsepower does this make? If you get it correct, I will give you a prize.
Dude. What?
This is actually just nuts.
This is insane.
I probably wouldn't drive this.
No.
What?
Oh my god.
What? I'm so confused. Dude, is this an atomic bomb? If you actually take this car on the track, you might die. There's like 1,000 different ways for something to go wrong.
Yeah.
Not knocking engineering, but like your engine is right there. And like the exhaust is right there. And like, imagine how hot it gets when you're like racing this thing.
God.
I don't even think they would drive it.
No.
I think it's like just a cool like work of art that hopefully will.
Hopefully no one drives it.
Hopefully no one drives it. I love these, bro. I absolutely love these.
What's up, dude?
Hey, what's up?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Real
too.
pleasure.
Your hair.
Thanks. It's messed up, man.
Mine is too, but it's permanent, so it's fine.
I have so many questions, but my main one is, can you sign my McLaren hat?
Your McLaren hat?
Yes.
Okay. It doesn't have rods in it, does it?
No,
Okay.
no, it's not like yours. It's fine. No seawater either.
Yeah, no seawater. That's good. There
Dude,
you go,
thank
man.
you so much. How are you? How's the show, man?
I'm pretty good.
You
Yeah.
enjoying it?
No, it's good. It's busy.
Cool, dude.
Listen, I love just hanging out with people just like just like me. So.
Yeah, absolutely. Are you getting like swarmed every day, or I feel like it's crazy?
No, really, it's all right. You know,
Yeah,
it's
I feel like someone like you
if I'm
would
by
just
the
be
P1, then the crowd forms and stuff. But,
Yeah, dude, the P1 looks so good.
Cool.
I didn't know you did the wrap on it already.
Yeah.
And I saw it and I was like, holy shit.
Yeah,
It looks
so, I
great,
mean, it's a it's like it's a temporary wrap. We're not keeping it like that.
Gotcha.
But we have the final color over there as well.
Really?
Yeah.
What
so
is it?
So it's gonna be a red candy overexposed carbon.
Oh my god, yeah, I saw. So when's the kit gonna be done?
The kit's gonna be done hopefully by the end of the year because we still have to do like a lot of sanding and prepping and all that stuff.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be, it's gonna look. Hopefully, it looks like a $3-4 million car.
Absolutely. How's the mechanics of the car doing? Is it?
Well, we're redoing everything. So we got the engine in. We're getting,
engine's in?
Yeah, the engine's in. We got new turbos, and it's going to make 1,300 horsepower. So
Wheel?
Yeah.
Jesus
Oh,
Christ.
yeah.
And you're ditching the hybrid system, right?
Yeah, the hybrid system.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Tavarish's stripped McLaren P1 with no steering wheel.
That's straight out of Aston Martin. Or like a Lexus LC.
This is really crazy.
Just the raw carbon.
It just shows you how much engineering went to this. TJ Hunt's wide body manual Supra. Have you ever seen turbos in the fenders? This is crazy. This is the Ford Raptor's grandfather. That's so cool.
This thing is bad.
It was the Raptor before the Raptor was a Raptor. I just want to touch it. Oh, dude, even that's carbon fiber.
Oh my god, that's ballsy.
I hope it's PPF'd.
It's gotta be. Where are the seams?
It's not. Dude, there's no PPF on this thing.
No PPF. Yeah.
That's a big turbo.
It's a big boy. Billet manifold, huge turbo. Sounds about right.
I would drive it.
Yeah, I would drive it.
Why not?
I wouldn't own it.
Bro, how many steps do you think we've taken so far?
11th. Damn.
We've only seen like 5% of the show. Why doesn't my rental GX have this, bro?
Oh my god. Dude, this in the desert?
Oh my, this in like Abu Dhabi.
Yeah.
Low-key, I always wanted to build like an off-road car, even though I would never go off-roading.
Yeah, especially
I'm
like,
one of those people.
near us. Where the fuck are we gonna off-road?
I like that. I like the idea of off-road. Dude, the rest of the mods at this show are incredible.
Wow. What?
If I had to guess, that's an LS motor.
Yeah.
Wow, look at the interior.
Dude.
Oh, this is so baller.
Oh my god.
Automatic. I don't even know what to say anymore.
Oh my
Wait, what is this? This is, huh? I'm so confused. Hold on, I'm so confused right now. This is a C1 Corvette interior. Huh? I would give my left testicle for this car.
Yeah.
This is just cool.
Wow. And they got like
Probably a
the
70 if I had to guess. What the fuck? That's a supercharged V8 right there. But that Porsche 911 though. So this is, yeah, I have to read the card. This is a 1970 Irish green. I recognize that color. Irish green is one of my favorite pin to sample colors still.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
This is just chef's kiss. Look at, everything is red.
Yeah.
Everything. Everything. And they have these massive American Force wheels.
Holy shit.
That's just
Tucked in there.
What? Dude, it's literally on the ground. This is massive. And the fact that it tucks like more than half,
Yeah.
that's like impressive.
I can't get over the RWB behind you, bro.
It's crazy. Don't look at my car. Okay. The only RWB 997 Porsche GT3 in existence by Nose Attack. Wow. Automobils Lamborghini Aventador Ultimate. Alex Gintani's personal Audi R8 track car.
He was like, yeah, I'm gonna twin turbo it.
Because why not?
Yeah.
You could tell it gets tracked, bro.
Yeah, he tracks the
Look
shit
at how
out of
it's
it.
beat up. I love this. I think if the original Fast and Furious like premiered today, the cars would kind of look like this.
Yeah. Dude, I love this weave. Oh, fuck. Okay.
I'm confused. Look at the carbon fiber.
Oh, hi.
These also have built-in air jacks.
Yes, they do.
Yeah. Dude, it's the Batmobile.
Never mind. It's kind of weird. Diablo go burr.
If I had to choose one,
Choose your next words really carefully.
Diablo.
Good boy.
Let's just put a boat on a lift real quick. That's
so
awesome.
cool.
I would
Love
totally
that.
use that. What's your favorite car here?
Oh, geez. I'm gonna have to go with this guy right here. Tesla.
Tesla.
It's pretty bitchin'.
Oh man. Interview over. Bro just starts it up and starts drifting. So many Teslas, bro.
The Vegas Loop.
Yeah, it's the underground Tesla tunnel thing.
Is that an actual thing?
Yeah.
Why?
To get you across Vegas faster. It's like a Tesla taxi system.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's like a whole underground tunnel system in Vegas that only Teslas can go in.
Wait, you're not joking?
I'm being dead serious, that's it.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Can't have emissions down there.
Yeah.
You can take an electric car too. It's not just
So
Tesla.
it's the Tesla pits of hell.
What are we doing?
We're leaving.
Okay. I don't know why you just watched that for so long.
Look at all that carbon fiber goodness. And the weaving on this car is impressive. Absolutely impressive. It kind of has like a purple
Oh my
blue
God, the
hue to
interior.
it, which is really nice. Purple interior, even the dashboard is full carbon fiber. Steering wheel, full carbon. Obviously, carbon bucket seats on this car. Purple cushioning. but the weave work is what's really, really impressive about this car. You can see it kind of has like this purplish tint to it, and then it kind of fades to black. I hope the camera's picking that up because it's absolutely incredible. Maybe the coolest car here. And the coolest car of the show, the Gunther Works 993 Porsche in full carbon fiber. Let me know, drop a comment down below. What was your favorite car of the show? I want to hear it from you. Listen, I've helped over 100 brands just like yours increase their followers and revenue using organic social media and $0 in ad spend. And I am giving away my step-by-step guide to exactly how I did it to the first 20 people who smash that link down below. So what are you waiting for? Let's go make some money and let's go gain some followers.